What is ChatGPT Go? Free Vs Go Vs Plus. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly what ChatGPT Go is, how it compares to the free and plus plans, and which one is the right fit for you in 2026. Welcome back, everyone. If you have been confused by all the new ChatGPT plan options lately, you are not alone. OpenAI has gone from a simple two-tier system to a full lineup of plans. And choosing the wrong one can either cost you money you do not need to spend or leave you stuck with limits that slow you down. So today I am going to break down the free plan, the new ChatGPT Go plan, and ChatGPT Plus so you walk away knowing exactly which one is built for your life. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand what ChatGPT Go actually is. ChatGPT Go is OpenAI's newest and most misunderstood plan. It launched in India at around $4 to $5 a month in August 2025, and then went global on January 15, 2026 at $8 a month. It is now available in approximately 98 countries with localized pricing in some markets. Think of Go as the commuter version of ChatGPT. It is built for speed and accessibility on a budget sitting right between the free plan and the full power of Plus. Step 2. Understand what the free plan gives you and where it falls short. The free plan is genuinely useful for light and casual use. Free users can search the web for up-to-date information, analyze data, upload images or files, and create images in ChatGPT. However, free tier accounts are limited to around 10 messages with the stronger model every 5 hours. And after that, ChatGPT switches you to the mini version until the limit resets. Free also has limited memory, limited deep research, and limited codex access. On top of that, as of February 9, 2026, OpenAI started running ads on the free tier in the US, appearing at the bottom of ChatGPT responses based on your conversation topic. Step 3. Know exactly what Go unlocks over free. ChatGPT Go gives you materially more messages, more uploads, expanded voice including video, longer memory, and a bigger context window. Specifically, Go includes access to GPT-5.2 Instant with unlimited messages, and GPT-5.3 with up to 160 messages every 3 hours. It also gives you 10 times more image and file uploads compared to the free tier. However, and this is important, Go still shows ads, so you are paying $8 a month and still seeing sponsored content at the bottom of your responses. Also note that Go does not give you GPT-5.5, the thinking reasoning model, deep research, codex, or agent mode. Those are all plus features only. Step 4. Understand where Plus completely changes the game. ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month is the first plan that removes ads entirely and gives you access to the full feature set most people actually want. Plus is the first tier that unlocks GPT-5.5 thinking, which is the model you actually want for any serious task including coding, structured analysis, multi-step research, complex writing, and agent modes. Plus also includes deep research, codex, DALLE image generation, and an extended context window that handles roughly 320 pages of text per conversation, which is a significant jump from free and Go. GPT-5.5 became the default flagship model for Plus users on April 23, 2026 at no price change. Step 5. Figure out which plan is actually right for you. Use this simple breakdown. If you use ChatGPT a few times a week for casual tasks like emails, quick questions, and brainstorming, the free plan is honestly fine. If you use ChatGPT daily but mostly for straightforward tasks like drafting and summarizing, Go at $8 a month is a solid middle ground, but expect ads. If you rely on ChatGPT for serious work including deep research, coding, complex reasoning, or data analysis, Plus at $20 per month is the minimum. The jump from Go to Plus is the biggest value step in the entire pricing ladder, and users on Plus report 10 to 26 times the effective capacity over the free plan. Now here is your pro tip. Do not upgrade before you feel the cap. Start on free, move to Go only if you are regularly hitting the free tier message limit and your tasks are simple, and upgrade to Plus the moment you need reasoning, research, or creative power tools. Pick the cheapest plan that removes your actual bottleneck and upgrade when you feel it, not before. This approach alone will save you hundreds of dollars a year, and that is a wrap. Today you learned that ChatGPT Go is OpenAI's new $8 budget plan that sits between free and Plus. That Go gives you more messages and no ads, but still lacks reasoning models and power tools. That Plus at $20 unlocks GPT